Let's learn how you can copy your RedNote profile link. So let us start by opening our RedNote application. When you open it, you will have to go to your profile. You will do that by clicking on this me icon in bottom right corner. Then you will see this two scan and these arrow options in top right corner. You will have to click on these arrow options showing on the corner. And as you can see, it will pop up share to. You can choose to copy your QR code and copy your link or share it with friends. We want to copy our profile, so we will click on copy link. Now you can go whenever you want. For example, I will go on Safari. On search bar, I will click on paste and click on done. As you can see, it will open my profile on browser. You can try it on any browser you want. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.